In this video, I'm going to show you how to change chat theme on a group chat on Instagram. That is quite simple and easy to do, so let's begin. And first, open up Instagram app and then right here at top right hand corner, tap at DMs icon to open up your conversations list. Then open up a group chat, and now in order to change its theme, all you have to do is first tap right there at that chat's name at the very top to bring up that options, and then right here tap at this colored circle next to theme to open up theme selector. And now there you can select any chat theme from here. For example, I'll select the latest one, it calls Autumn. I'll just check mark it, and basically that's it. Now I can move on to my chat, and there, as you can see, chat theme has just been changed to Autumn. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like and subscribe.